Alright, so today ang topic natin is paano maglagay ng open house schedule sa Matrix MLS. Okay, so when you're here at this dashboard, in my case, I just search the MLS ID here and then hit search para mas madali. So ito yung property or ito yung listing na gagawin nyo ng open house schedule. So click nyo lang tong pencil button sa left part nyo. And then click this open house. So here, may mga nakalagay dito marami. So delete ko lang muna iba. Alright, so ang schedule nitong open house na to is on Saturday, which is August 2. And then it's 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then showing agent, commonly naka-default dito is yung agent natin or yung listing agent natin. So si listing agent natin gusto niya mag-appoint ng ibang agent na mag-host sa open house na yon. So paano mapalitan tong showing agent na to? Click nyo lang dito sa find an agent. And then here, this is the license number of this agent. I just copied it. Then click nyo dito. So kung meron man siyang MLS ID, you can type it in here sa member ID. So akin ito. Sa license number lang. Then run search. Then Tiffany Urel. Then click nyo lang tong fill. Then yeah, as you notice yan, nag-iba na yung ano niya dito. And then click nyo kung active ba to. Yung iba kasi minsan naka-no yan. So since this listing is already active, click nyo lang yes. So kung may mga comments si agent like merong free drinks, something like that, itanong nyo na lang. Pwede nyo ilagay dito sa refreshments or drawing. Sometimes nagpapaano sila. Namimigay sila ng parang maliliit na caricature drawing. So then after that, kung okay na kayo dito sa details, delete ko lang ulit to. And then submit listing. Then submit listing. And there you go. Meron ng kumbaga ang lalabas sa market natin is meron siyang open house this coming Saturday. If you're looking at Zillow, at the Redfin, lalabas na may open house siya this coming Saturday. So let's check. Search lang natin yung property kung may nakalagay na open house sa kanya. So this will be, ayan, like this one. So on Saturday, may nakalagay dito. So kung hindi natin nilagyan ng date yan, walang nakalagay na open house na lalabas dito. So yun lang guys. So next natin is changing naman ang status closing. Depends kung ano yung maisipan nating i-cover. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.